Hello students, today we will start chapter 13, that is surface areas and volumes. Have you heard about the name mensuration in mathematics? I hope you have that name. In mensuration, there are two types, or you can say there are two branches, 2D objects and 3D objects. In earlier classes, you have studied about 2D objects. For example, rectangle, square, circle, parallelogram, etc. Okay? 2D objects are these objects. In these objects or in these shapes, you have to find perimeter and areas. In earlier classes, you have found perimeter and area of rectangle, square, circle and parallelogram. You know all formulas also. Now, when these 2D objects compile vertically, okay, then we get 3D objects. For example, when squares are compiled like this in vertically manner, then which shape will we get? I hope this will be the shape. This is our cube. जब हम एक स्क्वायर के ऊपर दूसरा स्क्वायर ऐसे रखते जाएंगे तो हमें क्या ऑब्जेक्ट मिलेगी, क्या शेप मिलेगी? क्यूब. और इन द सेम मैनर जब हम रेक्टेंगल के साथ ऐसा करेंगे तो हमें क्या शेप मिलेगी? दिस शेप. दिस विल बी द शेप एंड इट्स नेम इज cuboid. Cuboid. And when with circle we will do this, then we will get cylinder. Okay. Now we will study about these shapes: cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone and sphere in 9th class, and also we will study about surface areas and volumes of these shapes. Okay. In first exercise of this chapter, we will study about surface areas of cube and cuboid. How will we find surface area of a cube? We have to find surface area, lateral surface area, for the both shapes. See, this is a cube. How many faces it has? There are 6 faces, 4 walls and 1 top and 1 bottom. Means we have to add all the areas of these 6 faces. See, each faces of a cube is a square, or it means all sides are equal in a cube. All sides equal. So what will be the area of this square? Area of square is side into side. Let the side of this cube be A. This is also A because all sides are equal. This is also A. This is also, and this one more. All are equal. This is A and this is A. Now how will you find the area of this square? Side into side means A into A. A into A will be A square. It means area of this surface is A square. Similarly, we can find the area of these all surfaces, and what will we get? These all are square and all sides are equal. It means area of this face also A square, this also A square, A be A square, top be A square, bottom be A square. It means how many A square are there? How many? जितने हमारे नंबर ऑफ फेसेस हैं उतने A square होंगे. We have 6 faces. It means when we add the area of these all 6 faces, we get area of cube, which is equal to 6a square, because area of one face is a square. So area of 6 faces will be 6a square. Now we will discuss about lateral surface area. What is lateral surface area? When we exclude top and bottom of the cube, जब हम टॉप और बॉटम को हटा देंगे और सिर्फ हम वॉल्स की बात करते हैं, तो हम उस एरिया को क्या बोलते हैं? लेटरल सरफेस एरिया, और यू कैन से एरिया ऑफ 4 वॉल्स, दैट इज एरिया ऑफ 4 वॉल्स. जब भी आपको 4 वॉल्स के एरिया की बात करनी है, अब इट मीन्स you are talking about lateral surface area of a cube. What is it? These are 4 faces, na? 4 walls are there. It means area will be 4a square. It is very simple. When 6 faces are there, then area will be 6a square. When 4 walls or 4 faces are there, then area will be 4a square. Very good. Now we have to discuss about the cuboid. This is our cuboid shape. Then what will be the surface area of a cuboid? In cuboid, we have rectangular faces. Okay, we have rectangular faces. Means length, breadth, and height all are different in the cuboid. In cube, all sides are equal, but in cuboid, all sides are different. Means suppose this is L, length of cuboid. This is height, breadth of cuboid, and suppose this is breadth, width of cuboid. Now students, can you tell me, this is our first face of this cuboid. What is the area of this face? This is our rectangular shape, and what is the area of rectangle? Length into breadth. And what is length here? L. And breadth for this face is H. Then area will be LH. Okay? This face complete. Now this is our second face. For this face, this is B and this is same. This is height now. Just standing part here. This is height, means H. This is, now what will be the area of this rectangular face? Again, multiplication of their length. It means B into H. Breadth into height, BH. Okay. Again, we will get the same face like this. These are same faces. This is our L and this is our H. So, surface area of this face will be LH again. Also, this is same to like this. The both are equal. B and H. Here also B and H. So area will be BH. This is the area of all 4 walls. Okay. Now we have to calculate the area of the top of cuboid and bottom of cuboid. Now we are talking about this top. This is L now. This is our L. So this side will be L and this side will be, यही जो B है यही यहाँ होगा, breadth width of the cuboid. So this is our B. It means area of this top surface will be LB, length into breadth. For the bottom, it will be same because the opposite faces are same. Man, जैसे ये वाला फेस इसके सेम है, ये वाला फेस इसके, और ये opposite faces are same. So इसका एरिया लेंथ इंटू ब्रेड्थ है, तो बॉटम का एरिया भी क्या हो जाएगा? लेंथ इंटू ब्रेड्थ. Now this is our total surface area of a cuboid. इसको हम थोड़ा सा छोटा बनाए. LH plus LH means how many LH are there? 2 LH. BH plus BH, 2BH, and LB plus LB, 2LB. Okay, take 2 common, we get LH plus BH plus LB. Okay, product of 2 length and sum of these lengths will be twice of this will be surface area of a cuboid. Now, right here, twice of length LB plus BH plus HL. This is our total surface area of a cuboid. Now we will discuss lateral surface area of a cuboid. Means lateral surface area means again area of 4 walls. That is area of 4 walls. Yes, we have discussed now area of top and bottom will be LB and LB. It means these are the area of top and bottom of cuboid. Means in lateral surface area we have to count only area of 4 walls. It means we can exclude this part. We can remove it from here and we get the area of 4 walls. Now what will we get? 2LH plus 2BH. Again take 2 common. We will get LH plus BH. कुछ और भी कॉमन आ रहा है यहाँ से? Yes, H भी कॉमन आ रहा है. Then it will be 2 into L plus B into H. Understood? These are the formulas for finding surface area of cube and cuboid. You have to remember all the points. Question first of exercise 13.1. Read the statement carefully. A plastic box whose length is 1.5 meter, breadth is 1.25 meter and depth is 65 centimeter. Student, first we have to do their units same. Their units should be same. Here you can see depth is given in centimeter. It means first we have to convert this depth in meter. Okay, is to be made. It is open at the top. Box कैसा है? Open at the top, like this. You have to find the area of sheet required for making the box. We have to find the surface area of this box. Okay. Then how we will calculate? All 4 walls are there. This is cuboidal box and area 4 walls will be, have you learnt? 2 into L plus B into H. Now what is left? Area of bottom. It will be L into B, means LB. Okay. So we have to find this surface area. इस box का surface area यही होगा. Have you understood? Area of 4 walls plus area of bottom. It will be like this. Solution. Now we have given length and breadth and height of this box. B is 1.25 meter and height is 65 centimeter. Convert into meter. It means we have to divide it by 100. Then it will convert into meter. Now it will be 0.65 meter. Okay. Now surface area of a box. It will be 2 into L plus B H, which is area of 4 walls, or you can say lateral surface area of the cuboid, plus we require area of bottom, means length into breadth. Now we have to put all the values here, L, B and H, and then we will solve it. 2 into L is 1.5, B is 1.25 and height is 0.65 plus L 1.5 into 1.25. Okay, now multiply them. When we will solve it, when we add them and multiply these 3 terms, we will get 3.375. and after multiplicating these two terms 1.5 and 1.25 we get 1.875. After adding them we get 5.45 meters square. Means area of this box is 5.845 meters square without top. Okay. Now we have to find the cost of this. Cost of sheet for a sheet measuring 1 meter square cost rupees 20. In second part, we are given cost of 1 meter square, which is equal to rupees 20. So we have to find the cost of this area. कि इसकी cost क्या होगी? Cost of 5.45 meter square will be, क्या करते हैं हमेशा कॉस्ट फाइंड करने के लिए मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं रेट से 20 into 5.45. You can remove this decimal and put 100 here, and you will get 109. It means cost of this area, cost of sheet for this will be rupees 109. Second question of this exercise. The length, breadth and height of a room are given, which are known to us. We have to find the cost of whitewashing the walls of the room and ceiling at the rate of this. In previous question we have given a open box. We have given open box. Okay. In this we have to find area of this box, means area of walls plus area of bottom. Now in this second question we are given area of 4 walls and area of ceiling, means area of top of the cuboid. It means we have to remove which area? Area of bottom. It means formula will be same as in the previous question. उसमें टॉप नहीं था, इसमें क्वेश्चन में बॉटम नहीं है. एरिया टॉप और बॉटम का दोनों का सेम होता है, सो कैलकुलेशन वाला फॉर्मूला हमारा सेम रहेगा. लेंथ इज 5 मीटर, breadth is 4 meter, height is 3 meter. Now what we have to do? We have to find area to be whitewashed. First we have to find area, after that we can calculate the cost. Na? So first we will calculate area. Area to be whitewashed, which is equal to area of 4 walls plus area of ceiling. Area of 4 walls will be again 2 into L plus D into H, and area of ceiling will be LB. In every question, students, listen carefully. You have to write the formula. Okay? Otherwise, you will lose 1 mark. I will cut. Now put all the values here. 2 into L plus B. L plus B is 5 plus 4 here. Height is 3. Again 5 into 4. Now we will solve it. 5 plus 4 is 9. 2 into 9 into 3. And 5 4s are, it will be 20. 2 3s are 6. 9 6 are 54. 54 plus 20 will be 74. It means area to be whitewashed will be 74 meter square. Now we have to calculate the cost. Okay, at the rate of this. Cost of 1 meter square, again we have to do the same thing as we have done in previous question. Cost of 1 meter square is rupees 7.50, and cost of area 74 meter square will be 74 into 7.50. And now my intelligent children, you have to calculate yourself this cost. Okay, you have to multiply yourself. You can put it at 100. Now you have to solve it. You will multiply 74 and 75, and there is 10. What will you get? 555. Okay, this is our second question. In this question again we have to find the area to be whitewashed. This is same again, area of 4 holes plus area of ceiling. Formula will be same. Then we calculate it, and again we have to find area cost of this area of whitewashing. Now third question we will discuss. The floor of rectangular hole has a perimeter 250 meter. Means this is, suppose this is our hole, rectangular hole. Floor, perimeter of the floor. Perimeter of floor means perimeter of rectangle क्या होता है? What is the formula of perimeter of rectangle? 2 into L plus B. Okay. Perimeter of this floor is 250 meter. If the cost of painting the 4 walls at the rate of rupees 10 is rupees 15,000. 15,000 हमें क्या given है? क्या given है? Cost of painting 4 walls. यानी कि जो 4 walls को पेंट करने की cost है वो क्या है? 15,000. For this first we have to calculate the area of 4 walls. Cost given है, area given नहीं है. That we have to find. We have to calculate. And rate is given. Total cost is given. We have to calculate area. Okay. You have to find the height of the hole. For this cuboid, you have to find this height. Look at the figure carefully. And perimeter of the bottom is given. Perimeter of the floor is given. Okay. First, we have to calculate area of 4 walls. Perimeter of floor is 250 meter, which is given to us. And what is the formula of perimeter of rectangle? Will be 2 into L plus P, which is equal to 2 into L plus P. I hope you have remembered this formula, and it is given to equal to 250. Now we have to find, what we have to find? Area of 4 walls. Because cost is given, rate is given, we have to calculate area of 4 walls, which is equal to, what is the formula? अब तो learn हो गया होगा, 2 into L plus B H. This is the formula for area of 4 walls. We have discussed in introduction part also. Okay, 2 into L plus B H. You can say for area of 4 walls or lateral surface area of cuboid. Now, as you can see, the value of 2L plus B is 250. So we can put it here. Can we put it here at the place of 2 into L plus B, which will be equal to 250. और H हमारा as it is रहेगा. It means it is 250 into H. But cost, now we have to find cost. Cost of painting per meter square is, cost of painting per meter square is equal to rupees 10. Okay. Then cost of painting 250 H meter square. Right? This is our area of our 4 walls. Meter square will be 10 into 250 H. Also it is given to us, cost of painting 4 walls is given to us, which is equal to 15,000. Here you get a equation and you can calculate it. You can get the value of h from here. Solve it. 0, 0 cancelled, and it will be h is equal to 150 upon 25. Okay, now cut it. It will be 6. So h is 6 meter here. You have to find height of the hole now. That we have to calculate now. How will we find it? We have given, again I am revise करवा रही हूँ आपको. We have given cost of painting 4 walls. It means we have to find the area. We have given rate and cost, and we have to calculate first area of this 4 walls using this perimeter of the floor. Perimeter of floor is 250, which is equal to 2 into L plus B. Use it here. We get area of 4 walls is 250 H. Then put it here and solve it. Then we get the value of H, which is equal to 6 meters. Let's discuss question number 4, which is the paint in a certain container is sufficient to paint an area equal to this. Means किसी container में paint है और वो कितने एरिया में पेंट कर सकता है. एरिया दैट बी कैन बी पेंटेड आउट विद दिस विल बी 9.375. हाउ मेनी ब्रिक्स ऑफ डायमेंशंस कैन बी पेंटेड आउट हियर ऑफ दिस कंटेनर. मीन्स व्हाट इज दिस? These are the dimension of a cuboid. Means brick is in the shape of cuboid. Now how many bricks of these dimension can be painted out? That we have to calculate. Then what will we do? First we have to calculate the total surface area of a brick. Okay? What will we have to calculate? Total surface area. Let this is our one brick. Okay? This is our one brick. Of the dimension, length is 22.5 centimeter. Breadth is 10 centimeter and height is 7.7 centimeter. First, we will see how much paint is required for one brick. After that, we can calculate how many bricks can be painted out there with that paint, container paint. So for this, if we will do this, let n number of bricks can be painted. N into total surface area of one brick is equal to area of that paint can be painted. This 9.375. From here we can calculate the value of n number of bricks. Okay. So first we will calculate total surface area of one brick. Total surface area of one brick. Length, breadth, height, which are known to us. You can put it easily. What is the formula for this total surface area? 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Then put it here, value of LBH. 2 into 22.5 into 10 plus 10 into 7.5 plus H is 7.5 into L. L is 22.5. I hope it is clear this step. This step is clear now. We have put only values. L is 22.5, breadth is 10 and height is 7.5 here. Okay. Now we have to calculate them. We will get 225. Because when we remove this decimal, we get 10 here in the denominator. It will be cut with this. Again here, 10 will cut it out. And now here we have to calculate. We will multiply these terms, then we get 168.75. Now add all these terms and multiply with 2. Well, now after that we will get the total surface area of brick is 937.5 unit is centimeter square. Now what we have to do? Let n bricks be painted. Okay. So formula will be, here can say therefore n into total surface area of one brick is equal to area that can be painted with the container paint. Okay. From here we can find the value of n. N into total surface area of one brick is 937.5 and area that can be painted out 9.375 meter square. Here we have centimeter square और यहाँ पे क्या है मीटर स्क्वायर. It means we have to convert. इसको कन्वर्ट करोगे, किसी भी एक को कन्वर्ट कर लो. अगर आप मीटर स्क्वायर, ओके, 1 meter is 100 centimeter and 1 meter square will be 100 into 100 centimeter square means 10,000 centimeter square. मीन्स अगर आपको मीटर स्क्वायर हटाना है तो उसकी प्लेस पे क्या आएगा 10,000 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. आई होप इट इज क्लियर. मीटर स्क्वायर की प्लेस पे क्या आएगा 1 मीटर स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 10,000 centimeter square. Here also we have centimeter square से centimeter square cancel out. Decimal हटाएंगे 1000 because there are 3 digit. Again here also decimal हटाएंगे 30 cancel with that and then 9375 is also cancelled out. What we have got here 10 in the numerator and 10 denominator in this denominator. Multiply this 10 with this means 10 into 10 which is equal to 100. It means 100 bricks can be painted out with this paint. Okay, area of 100 bricks can be painted out. Okay, here we have given area dimensions of one brick and area that can be painted out. We have to find how many number of bricks can be painted. So first we have to calculate total surface area of one brick. Then use this equation. This is very important. This step should be clear. Okay. And into total surface area of one brick is equal to that area. Okay. And put value of area of brick is equal to this. Solve it. Students, listen. You have to be very careful for the units. Here we have centimeter square and in area we have meter square. So we have to convert one. We have converted centimeter square into centimeter square and we got the value of n which is equal to 100.